This is Sheikh Asif Ali from 10th standard. Today I will explain about the principle of metallurgy. Harsha, please stand up. Do you know what is meant by metallurgy?
The process of extracting metal from their ores.
Okay, please sit down. Metallurgy is the process of extraction of ores from their minerals. Second one is mineral. Mineral. The elements or compounds of a metals which occurs in the nature in the earth crust is known as a mineral. Ore. The minerals from which the metal is extracted without any economical loss is known as a ore. In metallurgy, there are mainly three processes involved. One is concentration or dressing. Second one is the extraction of crude metal. The third one is refining or purification of the metal. And the concentration or dressing means to remove the impurities in the metal. It can be further divided into four main processes. Hand picking, washing, froth flotation, the last one is magnetic separation. Hand picking. If the ore or impurities are differ in any one properties like color and size, using this hand picking method they are separated. Second one is washing. The ore particles are crushed and kept on a slopy surface. They are washed with a controlled flow of water. The less dense impurities are washed carried away by the water flow and leaving the more dense ore particles behind. And the third one is froth flotation. This method is mainly used for the sulfide ores which do not have the wetting property, where the impurities are get wetted. The ore particles are finely powdered and kept in a flotation cell. To get a more foam, add a few milliliters of the pine oil to the mixture. The air under pressure is blown to produce froth in water. The froth so produced takes the ore particles to the surface and the impurities settle at the bottom. And the last one is magnetic separation. If the ore particles or the impurities is differ in any one properties in magnetic separation or hand picking method. The second main process is extraction of metal. Before explaining this process, we should know about what is an activity series. Activity series. The arrangement of the metals according to their reactivity in descending order. The metals are divided into three main types. The first one is highly reactive metals. Second one is modulative reactive metals. And the last one is low reactivity metals. The highly reactive metal contains potassium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium. The moderative reactive metal contains zinc, iron, lead and copper. The low reactivity metal contains mercury, silver, platinum and gold. First, extraction of highly reactive metals. Electrolysis method is available to extract this type of highly reactive metals. Again, electrolysis of the aqueous solution is not feasible. Only method available is to electrolysis of the fused compound. For example, to extract sodium from the sodium chloride, fused sodium chloride is electrolyzed with the steel cathode and the graphite anode. It reacts the reactions at cathode are two Na plus 2E minus gives rise to 2Na, and the reaction at anode two Cl minus gives rise to Cl2 plus 2E minus. Second one is extraction of modulative reactive metals. The ores of these metals are generally present in the form of sulfides and carbonates. The sulfide ores are converted into oxide ores by heating them strongly in the presence of oxygen. This method is called as a roasting. The metal oxides are converted into metals by using suitable reducing agents such as a coke and carbon monoxide. Reducing agents such as a coke and carbon monoxide. And the last and final one is low reactivity metals. There are two methods are available to extract this type of metals. First one is heating them in the presence of oxygen. The second one is displacement from their aqueous solution. If you take cinnabar and it is heated in the presence of oxygen, it gives rise to mercuric oxide plus 2SO2. This mercuric oxide is converted into mercury and oxygen, and finally mercury is extracted. Displacement from the aqueous solution. If you take silver glans plus 4 cyanide It gives rise to Ag Cn twice plus S minus 2. Plus zinc dust. It gives rise to here the silver is extracted and the third main process in the metallurgy is refining or purification of the metal. The process of obtaining pure metal from impure metal is known as refining. This method can be further divided into four main processes. First one is distillation. The second one is poling. The third one is liquefaction. And the last one is electrolytic refining. In this distillation method, the low boiling metals such as zinc and mercury can made to be extracted from their highly boiling impurities. Second one is poling. In poling, the molten metal is treated with the logs of the green wood. The impurities are released either in the form of the gases or they oxidize and form a slag on the molten metal. The third one is liquefaction. In this method, the low melting metal such as a tin can be separated from their highly reactive metals such as highly reactive impurities. And the last one is electrolytic refining. In this method, a impure metal is made to be act as an anode, and a strip of the same metal is made to be act as a cathode. They are kept in a electrolytic bath containing the soluble salt of the same metal. Now we can explain about some ores and the formulas and the metal extracted from their ores. Ores, bauxite. It is also called as a red ore. The formula of this ore is Al2O3 2H2O. The metal extracted from bauxite is aluminium. The second one is copper iron pipes. The formula of this ore is CuFeS2. The metal extracted from this ore is copper. The third one is horn silver. The formula of this ore is AgCl. The metal extracted from this horn silver is silver. And the fourth one is cinnabar. The formula of this ore is HGS. The metal extracted from this ore is mercury. And fifth one is galena. The formula of this ore is PBS. The metal extracted from this galena is lead. And the sixth one is Epsom salt. The formula of this ore is MgSO4 7H2O. The metal extracted from this Epsom salt is magnesium. The seventh one is rock salt. The formula of this rock salt is NaCl. The metal extracted from this rock salt is sodium. The eighth one is limestone. The formula of this limestone is CaCO3. The metal extracted from this limestone is calcium. The ninth one is hematite. The formula of this ore is Fe2O3. The metal extracted from this hematite is iron. And the tenth one is magnetite. The formula of this ore is Fe3O4. The metal extracted from this magnetite is iron. I hope you understand my topic. Thank you for this giving nice opportunity.